Sunrise here in Deland, Florida. Just dealing with the rental car after yesterday's false start. Spent a lot of time last night kicking myself for not having made it to Texas yesterday, but boy, you look around right now, look at that, not a cloud. Today's gonna be a lot easier than yesterday would have been. Right on, here we go.
Deland traffic, terminal 1515 kilo, departing runway 30, climbing up 10,000 over the field.
So while the skies were clear that morning, the previous day's rain had left a lot of humidity in the air, which meant that there was some low-laying ground fog. And I know you guys already know where I'm going with this. It made for some cool prop effects as we added power to head down range. A great way to kick off an exciting day in the LongNoseThunder. So just like that, we're climbing at 3,000 foot a minute, headed downrange for our first stop in Marianna, Florida. It's about 250 nautical miles when you go around that alert area north of Deland. 1.3 hours to do the leg, burning about just over 50 gallons of gas. Another great thing about waking up early is not only did you leave an airport that was quiet, but we ended up at an airport that was quiet. Marianna was super quiet when I came into land. All right, 9 o'clock here in Marianna, Florida. First leg complete. Get some gas and on to the next one.